Okay, everything looks fine now. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, guys. So what's going on? I already showed you my expectations for the market. Bitcoin looks so bad that it's perfect condition to trick everyone and to pump significantly. For now, in this range, you can see we have our new previous weekly range right here. This is the range I'm monitoring right now. I want to believe this was our higher low right here. And now if you remember, I'm expecting some movement to this first liquidity level, and then I expect the price, if we manage to keep the pace and the momentum, to target the yearly open area and somewhere around the range high. This is this levels here, and this is also our liquidity pool. So we have two main liquidity pools right here. This one here around 86,000 and around 91 and to 93,000 is our second liquidity area to focus. Basically, this is our only this is our only local range right now here. One additional note here will be useful for everyone, that we may see one more push to the downside. What I mean that with the New York Open we can see some manipulation to the upside, or no, I don't know if we are going to take this high, but we may see even that kind of move to wick down here, take down both the previous weekly low and previous monthly low, and then if we manage to jump back here, then the move to the upside will happen after this impulse, the last impulse, which is going to take the liquidity from our first low here. These are the two scenarios I am waiting for, but generally, as you can see, I'm targeting somewhere around 93,000. Let's say like that. I'm targeting these levels here around 93, around yearly open. Let's around it, and this is what I expect, at least in the short term, for Bitcoin. Right? If we zoom out, I want to show you something interesting. Bitcoin is literally hanging on this trend line along. If we pull our FIP level from this low to this high, and we switch to FIP, let me move to the here. If we add 382 and 0.5, you can see that we are trying to bounce to hold exactly the confluence of the 0.382 and the trend we have started last year. It's important level to hold, because generally 0.382 is the FIP level that is showing the continuation of the general trend. We have general trend. This is uptrend here. If the price is going to pump, this is the first area that it is likely to happen. If we fail here, our next stops is, already know, somewhere somewhere around 74 to 71, and of course our golden pocket area on log chart. But 72 to 71 will be more important, because if we switch to regular chart, this is our golden pocket right there. So you can note these levels: 80,000, 74 to 70, and 66. These are the three main levels for Bitcoin on macro perspective to watch out and for potential buys. Okay, this is for the Bitcoin. Let's check the Ethereum. Honestly, if we zoom out, Ethereum is trying hard to defend the mid-range along with the anchored VWAPs, our levels, our confluence area. It is trying, it looks weak, but it is trying to hold this level big time, because below this level, below, let's say, 2000 levels, our next target will be where? It will be somewhere around this order, this demand level around the golden pocket area. This is somewhere between 1700 to 1500. This is our main demand level for Ethereum in case we lose this mid-range. Okay, so it's better to not lose it. If we zoom in, I'm watching this range for Ethereum right now. This is our local range. After this manipulation to the upside, we manipulated it to the downside, and now we are bouncing from the range low here, and I'm also expecting some upside move from Ethereum here to target around here, maybe around 2440 or even 2500. This is because we have this one. We have some CMA gap left here around, and after you can see that on the CMA we have swept the lows, the lowest point that we have established recently, and I believe Ethereum is going to target this area at least first before any further significant downside move. You can see that we have two gaps here. The first one, basically these are the levels I was mentioning on our last stream: 2600 and 3000 to 3200. These are simply the gap levels I have noted on my charts, nothing extracted from anything else. Basically, I'm expecting some upside move from Ethereum, at least on the short term. This will be some relief bounce also. It makes sense for me to grab the liquidity that is lying around at least a mid-range here. But New York Open today is going to be interesting. Besides the technical analysis, a lot of macroeconomic and worldwide factors are also driving the market. You know that the traditional markets like SP 500 and Nasdaq are dropping heavily lately. And okay, this is for today from me. I don't know if you have any questions. Let me check. Let me check it, guys. Let me open from my phone. Okay, I don't see any questions. Thank you very much for your attention and see you tomorrow, guys. You have the levels, please pay attention and don't over leverage yourself. See you tomorrow. Bye.